things people comment on when they come in or they ask about are the bee discs. What were they for? Where are they from? And they're Chinese. They're very early. They're Neolithic period. They're truly prehistoric. One of the problems with that is that we don't really know what they were for. They're found in tombs and at the site of altars. And they're usually found in groups in large numbers, along with an associated form, which are called kong, which is a squared cylinder. And according to Sung Dynasty literature, because they were collecting their own past by the Sung Dynasty, the bees are associated with the worship of heaven and the kongs with the earth. Now, in terms of their utility, they're the product of a great deal of labor. They're carved of jade and other hard stones. And jade cannot be carved, it has to be abraded. So you have to imagine someone taking a boulder with a string as a cutting instrument and a slurry of grit and water. And that's how they cut the boulders into slabs. And then they form them further by simply sanding, basically, them into shape. And then using a bamboo of different diameters, obviously, to cut the central hole. And they're made of extraordinary stones. And that is, I think, the key to understanding their purpose, because they do invite contemplation. It's hard not to look at them and think of a landscape, or think of what we know about the structure of the universe as revealed by the Hubble telescope. I mean, we now have theorized that after the Big Bang, matter coalesced into areas where there's more matter and less matter, and then they describe it. You know, it's like almost not quite a net, because it's a little bit less organized, but covering, and some of these bee discs create patterns that look like what I've seen in science magazines. And these people, as well, it was 5,000 or 4,000 years ago, because it's about 2000 BC that these come from, they had already millennia of experience in terms of looking at the stars, and they had a lot of lore that they were drawing upon. So while they were an enormously long time ago, they already were the heirs to human cultures that were thousands of years old. So the fact that they might have some sense as to things that we are only discovering now through science shouldn't be so surprising.